Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2020 Ford Kuga 1.5 EcoBoost ST Line X. This is the 150 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in lucid red metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front parking sensors, front fog lights. You've got the black honeycomb grille, glass panoramic sunroof, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, got the body coloured styling kit, rear privacy glass, 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, ST line wing badges. Inside the car you've got the black leather upholstery with red stitching and the black Alcantara centre panels. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. Centre armrest with twin cup holders. You've got a 12-volt USB plug-in point, and this car's also got the heated rear seats. Near side rear alloy wheel, rear parking sensors, and this is also linked to a rear parking camera. You've got the electronic tailgate, so inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seats, quick release to lower the seat backs, 12-volt plug-in for accessories, moving round onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel, so inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's also got the electric folding mirrors. On the dashboard you've got the button to release the tailgate from inside the car, electric seat adjustment on the driver's seat, centre armrest with internal storage box, so this car's done 30,989 miles, 6-speed gearbox, controls on the centre console to deactivate the stop start, eco mode, you can turn off the parking sensors, you've got the 12-volt accessory plug-in point, USB point, heater controls with dual climate control, heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. So you've got the touchscreen media system, so there's the home page. On the audio side You've got AM, FM and DAB radio stations. You've got Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device. You've also then got hands-free phone operation, full screen navigation, the view from the rear camera when you place the vehicle in reverse, glass panoramic sunroof with opening front panel, and you've also got the boot blinders, the roof blind as well. On the indicator stalk on the end you've got the switch for the lane departure selection. You've got on the steering wheel controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. The other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. Leather steering wheel with the red stitching. So moving back outside the car, an identification plate that tells it's the Ford Kuga 1.5 EcoBoost 150 PS ST Line X. So moving back outside the car again. On the mirrors you've got the puddle lights for illuminating the pavement. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to your inquiry. Bye.